Namaste all of you. Welcome back to Inspiring Math and Science. This is Soumya. Yes, today's class is for 8th standard CBSE. Okay, 8th standard CBSE Maths I'm going to teach you today in this class. That is powers. Yes, come we'll learn powers. Yes, powers. Yes. Now we are going to learn about powers. Here in our math, in so many cases, we will be multiplying the same number by itself, or else we will be multiplying the same units by itself thrice, twice, 10 times, 20 times, like this. Yes, na? Yeah. What it mean? Okay, one example I'll give you. If you want to find the volume of a cube, what is the formula? Side cube, that you know. Okay, volume. If I take an example, find the volume of cube having 2 centimeter side. If the question is like this, what we'll do? 2 centimeter side, the volume formula is what? Volume is equal to side cube, or else s cube. Volume is equal to s cube. Here volume is equal to s side, what they have given? 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter, because s cube or else side cube is the formula to find volume of a cube. Yes, here I will take 2 into 2 into 2 constant terms centimeter cube. Here see, this I can write as 2 to the power 3 centimeter cube. Yes, here see, 2 to the power 3. Here what we got? 2, it should multiply thrice, 3 times by 2 itself. Okay. Such conditions are called as powers, exponents, or else index. All three are the same meaning. Okay. Powers, exponents, or else index. Yes. Then what it is? 2. What it is 2? 3. What it is? Yes. That is base and the exponent. Yes. One example I'll take you. See, 4 to the power 6. What is this 6? What is this 4? As you know already in your earlier classes, 4 is the base. And 6, what is there in the head side or else the upper side of that? That is called 6. That is power or else index. We can call it as exponent also. Okay, here see, 4 to the power 6, 4 rise to the power of 6 you can call it as. Okay, 4 to the power 6 also same, 4 rise to the power of 6 also same. Okay, here 4 is the base and 6 is the power or else index, or we can call it as an exponent. Yes, as this is the whole number, natural number. Now if you go to the rational number also, yeah, rational numbers also can be represented in the form of exponential notation or else power notation. Okay, how it is? Yes, I am taking an example. 3 by 4. Rational number I will take one example of a rational number. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Here 3 by 4, it is multiplied 2 times. Yes, na? So I'll write it as 3 by 4 squared. 3 by 4 squared, because 2 times 3 by 4 is multiplied itself. Okay. 3 by 4 multiplied twice by itself. Got it? Yes. The number, which number here? 3 by 4. The number which is multiplying is called by the name. The number which is multiplying by itself is called by the name base. And the number, how many times? The number which is multiplying by how many times, that is called as exponent or as power or as index. Okay. The number which is multiplying by itself is called by the name base, and at what time it is going to multiply, that is the power. Okay. Yes, this is the example for rational number. Yes, here as you know, negative rational number also I can take. Here what I will take? Another one example. Minus 2 by 5 into minus 2 by 5 into minus 2 by 5. Yes, what it is? Here, for this I can write it as a minus 2 by 5 cube. Okay, minus 2 by 5 multiplied itself by 3 times. Okay, yes. Now, number 1 as base and a power. Yes, here see, if we take the number 1 as a power, then the answer will be number itself. Okay, yes, here see, a rational number raised to the power of 1 is a number itself. A rational number raised to the power of 1 is always a number itself. Not only the rational number, all the numbers also. Okay, yes. A number raised to the power, raised to the power 1. A number raised to the power 1 is the number itself. Yes, here see 5 to the power of 3. Here 5 to the power of 3, what you will get? The number it may come? No, the answer will be 5 should be multiplied thrice. 5 5 is a 25, 25 5 is a 125. So, this is not the number. This is the other number, different number. Now, what I told, the number raised to the power of 1 is the number itself. Here the power I have taken 3. Okay, here see the same 5 to the power 1. 5 multiply once. It means 5. Okay, what it says, what the statement is, a number raised to the power of 1 gives a number itself. Okay, yes. Then 1 raised to the power of any number, then what it is? 1 raised to the power of any power gives 1 itself. Yes, one example I'll take for that. Here see, 1 raised to the power of 4. 1 should be multiplied 4 times. What it is? 1 multiplied 4 times. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. What it is? A number 1 to the power of any number gives 1 itself. Here see, a number to the power, a number raised to the power 1 is number itself. And the number 1 raised to any power gives the 1 answer. Okay. Yes, 1 if it is multiplied by any number means in the power. Okay. Any raised to the number 1 raised to any power gives 1 itself. Okay. Then the number minus 1, what it would be? Yes, plus 1 is always 1. Minus 1 will take. Okay. Yes. Here see, minus 1 raised to the power. Minus 1 raised to any power. What it is? Two conditions are there. Plus 1 when the power is even number, and minus 1 when the power is an odd number. Okay. Yes. Here see, 3 things we learned. First one is what? A number raised to the power of 1 gives the number itself. First point. Second point what? Second point is 1 raised to any power gives 1 itself. Okay. It is holds good in the case of plus 1. Okay. Yes. If we come to the minus 1, then 2 criteria are there. 2 things, simple things are there. Minus 1 raised to power gives what? Yes. If the power is even, then answer will be positive 1, plus 1. If the power is odd, if the power number is odd, then it will give the negative 1, minus 1. Yes, I'll take example for this. Minus 1. For this, I need to take now 4 I'll take. Okay. 4. 4 is a even number. If I take 4, then what it would be the answer? We'll check. Minus 1 should multiply 4 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Yes. 1 ones are 1 into 1 ones are 1. Here minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, which is equal to plus into plus plus, 1 ones are 1. Yes, what is? If the power is even, if the power is even number, then the answer will be positive 1. Yes, if in case of minus 1 whole to the power of any odd integers, then what is the answer? As I told you, the answer will be negative 1, minus 1. Yes, let me take an example. Minus 1 raised to the power of any odd number you can take. Okay, I am taking here 5. Yes, let us check this. As I told, minus 1 raised to the power of any odd number, the answer is minus 1. Let me check. Minus 1 multiplied itself by 5 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Minus 1 multiplied itself by 5 times. Okay. Here. Minus into minus plus. 1 ones are 1. This is over. Come to here. Put into sign. Minus into minus plus. 1 ones are 1. And remaining is into minus 1. Yes, here. Plus into plus, plus. 1 ones are 1 into minus 1 as it is. Yes, here. Plus into minus, minus. 1 ones are 1. See here. Minus 1 raised to the power of any odd number, the answer is minus 1. Yes. Now, we'll move to the laws of exponents or else laws of power. Laws of exponents. It is called as laws of power also. Yes. What is the first law says? Law 1. What it says? If a by b is any rational number and m is an positive integer, then a by b to the power m raised to the power m is equal to a to the power m divided by b to the power m. I will show you now. If a by b is any rational number, if a by b is any rational number and m is a positive integer. If a by b is any rational number and m is a positive integer, then what the law says? A by b whole to the power m is equal to a power m divided by b power m. Yes, here see, this is the first law of exponents. What the second law says? Law 2. What it says? If a is any rational number and m and n are any two positive integers, then a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Okay, see law 2, what it says? Actually, the second law of exponent says if a is any rational number and m and n are any positive integers. If a is any rational number, along with that m and n are any positive integers, then what the law says? Then a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here a is any rational number, m and n are any positive integers. In such cases, the second law says a to the power m into a to the power n always equal to a to the power m plus n. Means exponents we need to add. Okay. This law, this second law is applicable in your algebraic expressions and identity and in special identity chapter. Now, we'll move to the third law. Okay. What is this? Law 3. If a is any rational number, same, m and n are any positive integers, along with that another one case is there such that m less than n. In such cases, what will be happen? What the third law of exponent says? A power m divided by a power n is equal to 1 by a to the power n minus m. Okay. Here see, the third law of exponent says if a is any rational number, if a is any rational number along with m and n are any positive integers, along with one criteria is there, if m is lesser than that of n. In such cases, third law says a power m divided by a power n is equal to 1 divided by a to the power n minus m. Okay, m is lesser than that of the n. So, 1 by a to the power n minus m. Fourth law of exponent says, law 4, what it says? Same. If a is any rational number, m and n are any positive integers, then a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n, or we can write it as a to the power m n. Okay, this is the fourth law. What it says? Same. If a is any rational number along with m and n are any positive integers, then a power m whole to the power of n is equal to a power m into n. M into n, or else in the other way we can say it as a power m n. Yes, now we'll move to the fifth law of exponent. What it says? Fifth law. Fifth law of exponent says, if a is any rational number, then m is any positive integer. If a is any rational number and m is a positive integer, then a to the power minus m denotes the reciprocal of a power m. Here see, the law says a is any rational number and m is any positive integer, then a power minus m denotes the reciprocal of a power m. Yes, here one word is there, reciprocal. What it mean? Simple, you people. Few of you may know this. Reciprocal means vice versa, ulta. Okay, denominator comes to the place of, here see, always rational number. If 3 by 4 is there, the reciprocal of this is 4 by 3. Means numerator comes to the place of denominator and denominator goes to the place of numerator. That's it. Okay, reciprocal is nothing but the places of numerator and the denominator will be opposite, or else will be changed. Yes, here see, 2, the number 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. The reciprocal is 1 by 2. Okay. Yes, this is the reciprocal. This belongs to the fifth law of exponent. If a is any rational number with m is an positive integer, then a to the power minus m denotes the reciprocal of a to the power m. Now, we'll move to the sixth law of exponents. That is law 6. Till here, we learnt laws up to 5. Now, the sixth law. This law is called as the zero exponential. Okay, the zero exponent. The zero exponent. Okay, the sixth law of power, or else the sixth law of exponent is also called as the zero exponent. What it says? Yes, if a is any rational number and a does not equal to 0, then a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Yes, see here, if a is any rational number and a does not equal to 0. A shouldn't be 0. Okay, any number rather than 0. Then what is the law says? Then a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Yeah, sixth law of exponent says that if a is any rational number and a does not equal to 0, then a to the power 0 is equal to 1. It means any number to the power of 0 is 1 itself. Okay. Yes. Till now we learned all the basic concepts of our power and some laws of the power. Laws of the power is nothing but laws of exponent, laws of index, power, exponent, index, all three are the same. Okay, yes, till here we learnt all these things. In the next class, I am going to tell you, I am going to give you the key points regarding these all 6 laws with 1 or 2 examples. Yes, I hope so you people enjoyed my class. If my class is useful for you, kindly share my videos with your friends and family. Kindly give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Kindly subscribe our channel, Inspiring Math and Science. Thank you so much.